Hi, we are so glad you are interested in OKCPS. If you are new to OKCPS, meaning that your child or children have never attended an OKCPS school before, this is how to enroll online. First, navigate to the district's website at www.okcps.org and then click on the 2020-2021 enrollment button. If for some reason this image isn't there, you can also use the enrollment button located here. Once you are on the Back to School page, scroll down until you see the area for new families. Click on the orange online registration button. This link will take you to Infinite Campus, the district student information system. Once you are here, you can start the enrollment process. Select your language, and then begin filling in all the areas. Make sure you enter your full first and last name, include a valid email address, and then make sure you check this box if at any time the student being entered has attended any of our district schools before. Now you can click Begin Registration. You'll receive some instructions. Make sure you check your email and follow the instructions there. The email will come from sis@oklahomaok.mg.infinitecampus.org. Scroll down to the bottom of your email and click the link. Now you can see that we have an official application number. Again, you'll select your language, and we'll begin to fill out the questions on this application. Type your name to authorize that you are the correct person to be submitting an application on behalf of the child. Use your mouse and cursor to sign your name and click Submit. Enter your address. If you see your address pop up in the bottom, just select that. If after you type in your address, nothing pops up, that indicates that your address is not within the OKCPS district boundaries, and you will need to call the number listed below, 587-1423. Then you'll click Upload Utility Bill to approve your residence. There are 2 of those that you need to complete. This is asking for the number of people who live within your home. And then select the annual gross income for the people who live within your house. Click Save and Continue. After you add all of the parent or guardians in your household, make sure that you select which person is the emergency contact for the student. If you need to add more than one, you can do so by clicking the Add New Emergency Contact. When you get to the Student tab, this is where you're going to add your students. You can add all the students in your household that you wish to enroll in Oklahoma City Public Schools. After you add each student, you can start that process over by clicking Add New Student for each one of your children. After you've completed that, please click Save and Continue. Once you've completed your registration, you will be able to access a PDF of that information by clicking this link here. And that completes your online registration process. You will receive an email with your OLR status, which stands for online registration, and you should see that your status is submitted new.